Today we'll talk about how can you select categories on your RetailMeNot app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you go down here, you just click here on search, you just click on it here. When you just click here on search here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you will search for storage and categories here, and here can you select your categories you want to looking for in this list here. So here can you select any of these categories you want to search for it. So that's all you have to do. I wish I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.